Downtown Tampa, Florida, where the pulse is quickened tonight because mild temperatures outside, but excitement inside. NHL action coming up with the Tampa Bay Lightning. Greetings, everyone.
Boston's confidence is at a sky-high level. Anything they need to do over the last 10 games, they've been able to find it. They need a big goal, they get it. They need a big save, they get it. They've been 180 degrees from their opponent, who has got none of that over their last 10.
Right along the blue line to Chara. Splendid pass through center to Callahan. Two guys together with force, big force.
He wished him a happy birthday 4 months early.
Shoots. Terrific save there. Didn't look like he had anything to shoot at, and he made it tough.
With this puck being so close to net, this is all a reactionary save.
He's in front with it. Score! They have struck early in this one. The Bruins have broken the scoreless tie early. The Bruins control from the neutral zone. Into the end of attack. Back in his defensive end to get it. Chip to Johnson. Carried through the middle. Oh, what a hit. I hope he's okay.
That's a dangerous hit. These guys are squaring off.
Man, that was decisive.
There's nobody in here that wasn't entertained by that fight.
More times than not, you drop your gloves like that, you're going to spend at least 5 minutes in the box.
We've just passed 5 minutes played here in the first. Boston's up in this game 1-0. Boston's collected another victory on the faceoff. Gains the zone. This takes a lot out of him. Picks it up in his own end. Up the wing to Carl. Long lead pass to Filppula. Great chance. Driven up the wing by Patrice Bergeron. Odd man rush, 2-on-1. Looks ahead to start something. Big drive. Gloved. Diagonally to Whitney. Gives it away and gets it back. He can start some danger here. Missed the net.
I know that shot just missed the net, but that thing was moving.
Pad save. To Marchand. Takes that pass that was just slipped ahead to him. Back in his defensive end to get it. On to Whitney. Carries it up the side. Cruises to the slot. Lightning in that glove. Takes it up that side. Carried to the corner boards by Aginla. He takes that point pass. Little pass from his goalie here. It's on his stick. What a pass up the middle. Pass. They score! And they've tied the game up. Boston's got that neutral zone faceoff. And this play is whistled down. It is offside.
Assisted by number 17, Alexander.
A face-off win. Let's see what develops. Geometrically to Callahan. Up the wing with it now.
26 seconds.
Wrist shot. Booted aside. Carries it up the wing. Laid on to Stamkos. Shot gloved. Drives to the net. A shot. Great save, point blank.
The goalie makes himself look big.
Carried through center ice. Oh, that's more than your normal rub out.
He saw that hit coming, but he still made the play.
Callahan's cut through the neutral zone.
In the first period.
Inside. Oh, tremendous save. Denied a terrific chance. Sets up Shaw. In the slot. He's got it. Got that in the trapper. Fires. He got his glove on that one. And the first frame has been completed here. It is 1-1.
Discounts on team merchandise and team green zones.
Second period underway, and we are even. Gets across, looks over his options. Ooh, stick save. A wonderful save at the goal crease. Right up the middle to Bergeron. Gathered in by Garrison. Takes it behind his own cage. Slides it to the point to Seidenberg. Wow, what a glove save.
Now that's a quick glove.
Just past 3 minutes have passed. Scrappy game. Both of these teams have connected once. Big drive. He had a great chance, but he has just missed the net.
You talk about a heavy, hard shot. Unfortunately, it just missed.
Can he generate something from there? Terrific interception. He's into the slot. Got it all. Picks it up in his own end. And he takes it through center ice. Receives that pass from the other side. Great glove save. Back near the blue line to Brewer. To Filppula. Angled to Strawman. Back in front. Save. Right in front. Great shooting lane. Oh, and he's hammered.
Well, he's been looking for that hit all night.
Aginla's tripped, and a penalty should be coming. Looks ahead to start something. Tampa Bay's got 2 on this one for tripping. Boston's power play opportunity number is 1. This one, the first one. You only get one chance to make a good first impression. See if they do. Slid to Marchand. Up the wing. Scooped up by Patrice Bergeron. On through the corner. Wrist shot. Let's go, Arister. It's cleared back, and this forces a recoil. The Bruins go back so that they can come back on this power play. Guided through center for Patrice Bergeron. Oh, here's Arister. Marvelous save by Nabokov.
That's an unbelievable stop.
Moves behind the net. Grabbed. Taken up the wing by Marchand. And play stopped because of an offside. Tampa Bay's prevailed again on the faceoff in the neutral zone. Catawampus to the corner. The Bruins get the puck with just a few seconds left on their power play. Tampa Bay's done it. Back at full strength. Score! Over 9 minutes to go in the second. Boston's lead is 1, and it's a fresh lead. Solid win at center ice. Propelled to Filppula. Parked in the slot, and it's on his stick. Carries it toward the woodwork. Back in front. He's in on goal. Taken over by Whitney. Gains the zone and looks over his options. Forcing attention in deep. Shooting. Lots on that to Whitney. Moved up the side by Setaguchi. Wrister. Wonderful stop by Nabokov.
They don't ask how, he just did.
Waffle boarded. Led on to Morrow. He is shut right off.
There's a phrase in hockey, hit or be hit. That's exactly what happened.
Into the attacking end. Taken back deep in his own end of the ice by Morrow. Good job off that left wing and a perfect pass. He got in. Score! He got iron with that shot. Neutralized face-off win to Boychuk. Outletted to Lucic. Cruises to the slot. What a ripper! Great stick save. That puck out of play over the glass, and a young lady from Shawinigan came up with that.
18 minutes.
Good job on that face-off, tying the man up. Chip to Killorn. Wrist shot, sticked away. 2 periods gone. A lot of entries on my score sheet. Room for more, though.
Looking for a way to show love for your team? Don't forget, Team Hack Giveaway Night is right around the corner. The first 3,000
underway in the 3rd period. This game is tied. Enormous hit. Paddled aside.
Platt's on the limp after that big hit, Docky.
Score! 2 straight goals. Tampa Bay's got another face-off win.
His 20th of the season. Scored by number 24. Ryan
Moves to the corner to Filppula.
assisted by
Puck
number
covered, whistle blown.
Steven Stamkos. And by number 18, Andre Palat. Time of the goal, 55 seconds.
Tampa Bay's got that face-off win. That one fired down. The defense will win the race, and icing is called. A little under 3 minutes have transpired in the period. Tampa Bay's recently broken the outstanding point-blank save. Oh, what a pad save. Got it on his stick in the slot. A lightning-like glove. Oh, and here's a 3-on-2. He drives toward the slot. Oh, what a glove he's got there. Morrow's got this one between the blue lines. On to Boychuk. Good job with the poke check. Back in his defensive end to get it. He's got that on his stick and moves right ahead. Gathered in by Morrow. Laid on to Callahan. Terrific pad save. He drives toward the slot. Slid to Marchand. To Callahan.
Callahan's looking to score another one. He gave his team the lead.
The Bruins will start from their own end. To Eriksson. Moves up the wing. A shot. Score! And this one is tied. They win the draw and will now set up an attack. Hammered to Strawman. That one comes right on his stick. Not very long, but good. Flip to the opposite corner. Behind the net. Big time save. Big time shooter. Good intercept. Propelled to Brewer. Gathered in near the boards by Lucic. And he's hammered.
There's a phrase in hockey, hit or be hit. That's exactly what happened.
Fires. Terrific glove save.
The goalie gave him the glove side, and he took it away. What a stop.
Quick work on the faceoff. Perfect receipt of the pass. Score! They struck back fast, didn't they? Over 7 minutes left to go here in the 3rd. Tampa Bay's recently broken the tie. Their lead is 1.
The Bay goal. Scored by number 23.
Chip to Brown.
Brown.
Oh, does he have a target on his back?
25. Matthew Carl. And by
Wrist
number
shot,
16,
save.
Alexander Killorn. Time
To
of the
Brown.
goal, 12 minutes, 55
Takes it up near the boards. Picked up in the attacking zone. Superb save by Rask. Muscled long to Palat. Full steam up the wing. Play to be made now by Garrison. Heads along the boards. Eriksson slashed. Ooh, that's going to be a penalty. To Marchand. Moves it to the barrier at center ice. Tampa Bay's minor penalty is for slashing. The Bruins' power play gets another chance to operate. Hasn't been effective yet. Scooped up by Hamilton. A shot.
Well, the power play has had not much going on here tonight. They need to create some momentum, let alone score a goal.
Score! And the game is Bay's got it off the draw at center. Grabbed off by Lucic. Many yards gained to Seidenberg. We are in the last minute. Great job. Slips on by. Got on by with that one. A cover, and play is stopped. Good face-off win. Scorches one. Score! Face-off win, and now what will they do with it? To Inland.
David Krejci, time of the goal, 19
Hammer.
11 seconds.
Cut by Garrison. On to Callahan. Good distance on that one to Palat. Right from the slot. Oh, he shot wide. Great chance there. Krejci's got to shovel it out of there. Cleared back out. Not much pressure there.
Boston's decision-making as of late has...
Terrific save. Terrific opportunity.
You don't get many better opportunities than that. Great save.
Moves it to the shadow of the boards. Score! Tampa Bay's got that one to Whitney. Laid on to Filppula. To Garrison. The game is over. It is a calculated risk that you have to take in the sport of hockey. You may be trailing, but you've got a chance to at least tie it up by pulling your goalie.
When you do that, you have to get the goal scorers out on the ice, just not able to cash in with the extra attacker.